Let's link FCA to a technician profile. Go to altusdrive.com and select Manage Existing Account to log in. Once logged into Technician Profile Manager, navigate to the Security Link tab on the left. Click the blue plus next to FCA International. Add required information if prompted, either account information and/or shop information. Check the required boxes and then review your order. Review your order, then select Proceed to Checkout. Fill in your profile details. Select Next. Fill in your billing address information. Select Next. Fill in your payment details. Select Next. Complete your order by selecting Subscribe. Select Close. Finally, restart all diagnostic scan tools connected to this account to sync.